Welcome to our class, Amma. Now next let's start new chapter. There is a multiplication tables. Sorry, fifth chapter multiplication. All of you learn tables, Amma. Before yesterday I gave homework. All of you learned that we are perfect from 2 to 15 tables perfect internet with multiplications వస్తాయమ్మా. Otherwise you can't do that. Okay. So you will learn multiplications or you will learn tables from 2 to 15. Okay. Now once I will explain some. Now what is this, Amma? What is this symbol? This is the plus symbol. What is this? How to call this? Plus. Okay. Now this place, this is used for addition. This is used for addition. Okay. Now what is this, Amma? How to call this? This is a minus. Yes, you know this symbol? This is a minus. This is used for subtraction. Okay. Now what is this? What is this symbol? This is the into. Okay, this is called into. This is used for multiplication. How to call this? Into. So this is called as this is used for multiplication, and this is a times. Again, auto times. So it's indicated times also. Okay, times and kuda reaches. Now multiplication is a repeated addition. This is kept in your mind. Multiplication means it's a repeated addition. For example, I know pairs. Okay, ma. 2 balls. Again 2 balls. Again 2 balls. Okay. Now here, how many groups are there, Amma? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. In each one, each group having how many balls? 2 balls. So 2 plus, any times repeat in the 2 plus, again 2. So what is this? 2 plus, this 2 plus, and this 2. So here how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3. 3 times repeated. What is the repeated? 2. 3 times same repeated in every time repeat 2. So 3 times 2. So how to write this? 3 times 2. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Times means into. Times means what, Amma? Into. Okay, 3 into 2. 3 to 6. You get what is the answer? 6. So you have to check it that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. Same. Okay. Addition, sorry, multiplication means it's a repeated additions. Some more examples, Amma. Now put a heading. Multiplication on the number line. Multiplication on the number line. Now some more example. Multiplication on the example. First problem, Amma. Okay. Now tell me children here. How many times repeated? First you check it. How many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times repeated. 7 times jumping on the number line. Okay, 7 times. So in each time, how many steps forward or how many steps moving on the jump? Moving on the number line. In each time, how many numbers moving on the number line? Count it, Amma. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay? I mean, each time you moving on 2 steps forward. So, how many times repeat? Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Okay? Repeated in every time moving on 2 steps forward. So, 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. You get answer 7 2s are 14. Write this. Here, last number is about 14. You get 14. Okay? Please copy it, Amma. Now, one example I will give you. Now, do this homework, Amma. Homework problem. First, we will do. Now, homework. Only one problem you can do. Okay. You are counted. First, how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you write down 4. So, in each time, how many steps forward, Amma? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 4. You get answer. Okay? That is your homework work. So, do that. Thank you.